Hello everyone, welcome to the second video of the IELTS Writing Task 2 by Go Inter Academy. So in the last lesson, we broke down the advantage and disadvantage essay using our four-part framework. In this video, we'll be applying that same framework to a different essay type, one that shows up all the time in the IELTS Writing Task 2. Discuss both views and give your opinion. This type of essay asks you to present two sides of an issue, then share your own view. But to write a really good essay, we also need to include a deeper insight, which we call the twist, before ending with a reflective conclusion. Let's go through this step by step. We're going to begin by writing the introduction. Just like last time, our introduction has four simple parts: hook, general statement, specific statement, and the thesis. We're going to write it sentence by sentence, and I'll explain you each part as we go along. Let's start with the hook. We're going to start with something real, something that sets the stage without sounding too academic or emotional. And this is how our hook will be. Imagine a world without vaccines, where diseases spread freely, affecting millions. Before modern medicine, this was the reality. Then we move to the general statement. Our general statement will tell the reader why this topic still matters now. Today, vaccines help prevent dangerous outbreaks, yet people still debate whether they should be mandatory. Moving on to the specific statement. This is where you introduce both sides of the debate clearly, without giving your opinion yet. So our specific statement will be: some believe vaccination should be a personal choice, while others argue it is necessary to protect public health. Now the last part of the introduction is what we call the thesis statement. Now we explain what this essay will do. We're not just discussing, we're also going deeper. While both sides offer compelling arguments, this essay will ultimately highlight a deeper concern that is often missed in the broader debate. Let's read that full introduction together. Now we move to the detailed paragraph. Our first body paragraph will explain the first view, the idea that vaccination should be a personal choice. We'll present the view fairly, explain the reasoning, and give short, realistic examples. Some believe people should decide for themselves whether to get vaccinated. They argue that medical choices should be personal, not controlled by the government. Some fear vaccine side effects, while others avoid vaccine due to religious belief. There are also those who feel that healthy people do not need vaccines and should not be forced to take them. This paragraph isn't trying to agree or disagree. It just shows why some people support this view, and it does so clearly and respectfully. Now let's explain the second view, the opposite side. Many people believe vaccination should be required to protect the public. Again, we'll start with a topic sentence, explain why people support this view, and give one or two examples. On the other hand, many believe vaccines should be required to keep everyone safe. When more people are vaccinated, diseases are less likely to spread, protecting those who cannot get vaccinated, such as newborns and people with weak immune systems. For example, strict vaccination rules have nearly wiped out diseases like measles and polio. Without vaccines, these illnesses could return and put millions at risk. Notice how this paragraph stays focused. It presents clear, logical reasons why vaccination might be made mandatory, especially for protecting the wider population. Okay, so we're finished with our detailed paragraph. Now we go into the twist paragraph. This is where your essay really stands out. Most students stop after explaining both views, but we're going to go further by raising a deeper issue that is often overlooked. In this case, it is the economic impacts of low vaccination rates. So while most debate focus on health and personal freedom, many forget about the economic impacts of low vaccination rate. When outbreaks happen, hospitals fill up, businesses close, and entire countries struggle financially. During the COVID-19 pandemic, countries with fewer vaccinated people face long lockdowns and job losses. This shows that vaccines don't just protect health, they also help keep the economy stable. Now this twist paragraph shows critical thinking. We're not just choosing a side, we're exploring what happens when people overlook the bigger picture. Now let's end the essay with a strong conclusion. Instead of repeating the same points, we'll tie the ideas together and leave the readers with something to think about. So this is how we write the conclusion paragraph. Vaccines play a key role in keeping people and communities safe. While personal freedom is important, the risk of disease outbreaks and financial hardship show why vaccination policies matter. Instead of asking whether vaccines should be required, maybe we should ask, how can governments encourage vaccination while respecting people's choices? Let's do a quick recap of how we use the four-part framework in this essay. The introduction sets up the debate and shows what's coming. The detailed paragraphs explain both views fairly and clearly. The twist brings in a deeper issue, and in this case, economic impact. The conclusion reflects on the big picture and opens up the discussion. This is how you move from a basic response to a thoughtful, high-scoring essay, not by using big words, but by showing structure, clarity, and depth. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. In the next lesson, we'll look at how to tackle the problem and solution essay, where you take a clear side from the start. See you then.